Air compressors are an essential tool for car painting, providing a steady flow of compressed air for smooth, professional quality finishes. Choosing the best air compressor for painting cars can be tricky, as you want to balance tank size, PSI/CFM rating, portability, noise level. List number 1. Quiet air compressor. Only 68 decibels, 5-gallon steel tank. This quiet air compressor stands out for its noise level, operating at just 68 decibels, which is significantly quieter than standard models. The 5-gallon steel tank provides enough capacity for small to medium paint jobs while maintaining portability. For users painting cars in home garages or workshops, its quiet operation makes it a great fit without disturbing the surroundings. The motor is efficient and durable, designed to deliver consistent air pressure for spray painting. With an oil-free pump, maintenance is minimal, saving time and cost. Its compact design also allows for easy storage when not in use. While it may not match the capacity of larger compressors needed for full-size car painting in a single session, this model excels at touch-ups, detailing, and smaller projects. If you value quiet performance, reliability, and portability, this air compressor is an excellent option for beginners and DIY car painters. List number 2. DeWalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 20V Max. The DeWalt 20V Max portable air compressor is built for portability and convenience, making it a versatile tool beyond just painting. While it is primarily marketed as a tire inflator, it can also be adapted for small-scale spray painting tasks. Powered by a rechargeable 20V Max battery, it provides cordless operation for on-the-go projects. Its compact size and rugged build make it easy to transport, while the digital gauge and auto shutoff ensure precise pressure control. For painting cars, it's best suited for minor repairs, quick spray jobs, and detailing, where portability is key. The downside is its limited tank capacity and airflow, which may not sustain larger automotive painting tasks. However, if you need a reliable, portable compressor that doubles as a tire inflator, the DeWalt model offers trusted durability and brand reliability in a compact form factor. List number 3. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit with Dual Fan Air Compressor. The Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 kit is a fantastic choice for precision car detailing, touch-ups, and custom paint work. Unlike standard compressors, this unit comes with an airbrush kit, making it ready to use right out of the box. Its dual-fan compressor design ensures cool operation, preventing overheating during extended sessions. This model excels in fine detail work, such as custom graphics, logos, or small-scale repainting projects on cars. The adjustable pressure allows for versatile spraying, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals in the auto detailing niche. However, because of its smaller capacity, it's not intended for painting an entire car body. Instead, it's best paired with detail work or small paint repairs. For car enthusiasts who want to experiment with airbrushing effects, touch-ups, or precision painting, this kit offers excellent value. List number 4. Airmodo Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, air pump for car tires with digital display. The Airmodo Portable Air Compressor is another compact, versatile inflator that can also handle light spray painting tasks. Its digital display and preset controls make it extremely user-friendly, ensuring accurate pressure output every time. The built-in rechargeable battery and lightweight design allow you to take it anywhere, whether for tire inflation or light painting projects. This compressor is best suited for those who need a multi-purpose tool, ideal for inflating car tires, sports equipment, and performing small paint touch-ups. While it won't sustain the airflow required for full-scale car painting, it's handy for quick jobs and DIY projects where convenience matters most. Its biggest advantage lies in its portability and ease of use. The compact design, digital accuracy, and rechargeable battery make the Airmodo compressor a great companion for emergency tire inflation and light painting applications. List number 5. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, Car accessories essential. The Astro AI portable air compressor is a popular choice on Amazon due to its reliability, digital gauge, and compact design. It's primarily designed as a tire inflator, but also provides enough airflow for small painting projects, making it a good multi-purpose tool. The digital display allows for precise PSI control, while the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation. For painting cars, this compressor is ideal for small touch-ups, custom detailing, or quick fixes. It's not designed for full car painting, but its affordability and ease of use make it a good entry-level option for car enthusiasts. Lightweight and portable, the Astro AI compressor is easy to carry in your trunk, ensuring you're always prepared for both tire emergencies and small-scale painting jobs. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use compressor, the Astro AI model is worth considering.